So here we are, and I've got the package open. Let's see what we got inside. We have got one editor's key dual layer pop filter, which I forgot to take out of its packaging, but that's sort of the thing with these unboxings, is that you unbox them. And here is the real prize, the real thing that I'm really proud of finally having managed to acquire. The Rode PSa1 boom mic arm. The professional way to mount your microphone to workshop or studio desk. And then just a whole lot of thing. It holds up to 2 kilograms, and my Blue Yeti Blackout is a lot less than 2 kilograms. Let's see what we got. We got a manual. We have, ooh, what is this? Oh, this is the adapter. Check it out. Ooh, shiny. Probably gonna figure out what this does by the end of this video. So that's the adapter. And what do we have? Oop, something fell. I'm not sure what this is actually. And that's just protective covering. We have got the stand, which I'm gonna take out and show, of course. So here we have the Rode PSa1 stand, adjustable and everything. This is the table mount. This is the screw mount. You can just bore a hole in your desk and put the arm in that way. Wait for us, you're going to see how that works right now, because ta-da! Here is the arm. Wow! Now I know how it feels to unbox $1 million. Spring, caution, spring loaded. So here we have the arm, and as I said, you put it in like this, and then it just stands. So let's get this set up in my studio, and let's see how it looks, and how it sounds. So here we have it. The thing is all set up, and as you can hear, because this is the audio from the mic, as you can hear, the audio is so much better, so much cleaner. Just take a look at what I can do with some settings in OBS. Particularly the noise gate, and yeah, then I have the expander and compressor, but they don't do much of this. This is the noise gate. I'll switch over to the audio from the GoPro so you can hear what I'm doing here, and then I'll switch back and forth between the two audios. That is not that I'm stopping the GoPro audio and not having anything else. That is actually this mic, the position, thanks to the arm, and the noise gate. It is lovely. And you know, you can really tell most YouTubers if they use a setup like this because of this little thing, the pop filter. And I'll give you an example here of what it does, because it's actually a lot more surprising what it can do than what the name says it can do. Check this out. Pop, 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 pop balloon, potato, potato. Pop, pop, pop a balloon, potato, potato. You notice the difference? Yeah, the pop filter, it is great. And the arm, check what I can do now. Instead of having, you know, to go all up here to get something, you can just go, okay, I don't need the microphone. I've recorded, my recording is done for the day. You see, it's that easy and that simple to get up and going. And I mean, the arm, it's as good as completely quiet. I have a little sound from the arm up here, but I mean, you can't get everything. I've tried to oil it, but it doesn't work. At least not for me, but hopefully over time it'll wear and it'll become quieter. This mic, by the way, it's the Blue Yeti Blackout. Mic, the pop filter, and the arm is probably one of the greatest investments to this computer I've made. the audio quality is just so much better. And since if you're not the lazy person, but then again, a lazy person probably wouldn't buy something as expensive as this one. This was this whole thing without the microphone was 1,000 Swedish kroner, or I think $100, somewhere in there, American dollars. So this is enthusiast or used streamer setup. This is not a used streamer. You're used to streaming, an experienced streamer, if you want to take it that way. That's what this gear, those guys are who this gear is really meant for. And even though I don't make videos on a regular basis, I don't monetize it, and I do it just for fun, I wanted my audio to be better. You know, you always strive to make your quality better, and I'm actively trying to make my personality, not like anybody else, but just more entertaining, because I can even bore myself sometimes. I'm gonna be brutally honest here. I can bore myself sometimes, or often, I'd say. So I'm trying to make my videos a little more interesting. But yeah, I think that's it for this video, and I'm out. See you next time.